For staying with us. International Day of the Girl Child was adopted as an international holiday back in 2011 as a day to recognize girls' rights and the unique challenges girls face around the world. In this report, our education correspondent, Sobra Usman, tells us more about the day.
The Director for Advocacy and Marketing, ACE Healthcare Foundation, AHF, a non-governmental organization, Mrs. Oluwakemi Badamosi, has called on stakeholders to give equal opportunity to the girl child, like their male counterparts in the society. She made a call in Abuja on the occasion of the celebration of International Day for the Girl Child. According to her, the day highlights issues that hamper girls' access to education and opportunities in the society.
It's a day that the world comes together to remind us that girls are equally as important as boys and should be given equal access to opportunities, including girls who are disabled, girls who are in rural communities that are sometimes forgotten even when we carry out interventions or initiatives. And this year it's actually very, very significant because the focus is being placed on digitalization. And like we all know, when it comes to science, technology, engineering and mathematics, popularly known as STEM, we have very fewer women and fewer girls in these very sectors. And
Minister of Women Affairs, Mrs. Dame Pauline Tallinn, says the ministry is working very hard to ensure that every child in the country gets access to basic quality education, irrespective of the cultural or societal discrimination. The minister, who was represented by Mr. Adekunle Balogun, says the inequalities are permitted by our own actions.
What they call Child Right Implementation Committee. Though some states have done that, but so that they will be able to educate the societies where they found themselves, going to the local government and be able to tell them that a girl have every right to education. Every child, particularly girls.
Girls who spoke with journalists shares their emotion and highlight some of the problems that they are faced with.
Different places, women run a lot of things that might help us today. Like a woman invented the mop, which made cleaning of floors easier.
Government should come and help in renovating the toilets in the school and make sure that they are close to the classrooms.
Thank you very much. Giving women their encouragement to do what they want to do, not irrespective of what people think. Most of the time, men, and in some cases women, are like, say things to bring our fellow women down.
This year's theme is tagged Digital Generation, Our Generation, and the ACE Healthcare Foundation, AHF, has tagged this year's theme to be Amplify Her Voice. Highlight of the day was presentation of sanitary pad to some of the students by AHF Foundation, drama and dance by some of the students. Swabora Usman, ASO Television News.
And I will turn our attention now to Lagos State, where the